Tinker, I think your counsel is having some issues today. Do you want me to give you a couple minutes to get another attorney?
No,
or-
it's just gonna be me. I mean, Your Honor, it is what it is, right? So.
Well, I mean, it's up to you. You can proceed pro se, or you can.
No, we'll proceed. It's fine, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Tom and defendant, or excuse me, Mr. Kelly, are you guys ready?
We are ready, Your Honor.
All right, fantastic.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
court is now in session 0338. This is Alex Kelly versus Tommy Tinker. I'll let Mr. Tom take it away.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Can everyone hear me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
People here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Right. Your Honor, people at the court, today we're here because my client made a joke. Not a bomb threat. Not a confession to a felony. Not a speech that would shake the pillars of this here community. He said, brace yourselves for this. Brace yourselves. Must be a slow day. That's it. Those words. A face so harmless, it should be printed on your co-worker's coffee mug, sir. The joke's so mild, even my grandma would say, oh, honey, it's adorable. And yet, Deputy Tommy Tinker, upon hearing these words, did something historic. He took a lawful traffic stop, one he openly admitted that he was going to end with a warning, and transformed it into a ticket faster than you can say, I got fragile ego. Not because of driving, not because of danger, not because of the war, but because Mr. Kelly made a joke. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is where the First Amendment burst through the wall. Like the Kool-Aid man going, hey! The government cannot, and I repeat this, Your Honor, cannot punish you because they didn't like the words that came out of your mouth. Your Honor, we don't ticket people for jokes. We don't fine citizens for sarcasm. We don't issue citations for damaging an officer's vibe. But this deputy did. This wasn't law enforcement that day, Your Honor. This was emotional enforcement. This was, oh, you dare speak to me in that tone. I don't approve of it. Behold the power of my citation book. If feelings was a crime, Your Honor, I'd be representing the officer here today. The case is simple. Speeding wasn't the issue. Speech was. We're not here saying my client didn't go a little bit over the speed limit. He did. He got ticketed, right? But what was that ticket really about? It wasn't about the speed. It was because he said, must be a slow day. Your Honor, if we allow this First Amendment violation based on that, well, you might as well join me up in Stab City. The circus be there today. And if we allow this, then, Your Honor, citizens will stop being fined for eye rolls, for the size, for comments about the weather. Oh, God forbid, telling a pun as well. But, Your Honor, the Constitution does not crumble on the sound of a joke. Deputy Tinker may not like sarcasm, but the First Amendment isn't about what he likes. It's about what the government cannot do, and retaliating against speech is at the top of our list. So, today, Your Honor, we're here about that First Amendment violation, and you will hear testimony from two people there on how Mr. Tommy Tinker, sorry, Deputy Tommy Tinker, violated my client's rights. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Tom. I should have said this when we started. Sorry to do this now, but just remember, everyone, the burden of proof in today's court case and all civil proceedings in the state of San Andreas is preponderance of evidence. If you don't know what that means, it's 51% more likely than not. With that being said, that is the burden of proof that needs to be met today by Mr. Tom. Mr. Tinker, you may proceed. Opening statement.
All right. I'll make it short and simple, Your Honor. I'm a zero tolerance guy. I do things by the law. I'm very stern. The statements today made against me for an emotional decision made when I pull people over for breaking the law. I want there to be open minds and understanding that I go by the law, as should everybody else who swore an oath to the Constitution and who is backed by free speech, as I do talk as well. I hope today justice is served. The understanding of why and the reasoning behind the citation that was issued was valid and just in the actions of not only my duty, but my position, which Tom got incorrectly. I'm a sergeant in the BCSO.
Oh, I apologize.
That is all,
That
Your Honor.
wasn't.
Thank you.
Yeah, that wasn't my intent to get it wrong. I apologize.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Tinker. Mr. Tom. So with Mr. Tom, do you plan on calling Mr. Tinker to the stand?
We do not.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. All right. Then, Mr. Tom, your first witness.
We'd like to call Mr. Kelly to the stand, please.
All right, Mr. Kelly. May I approach?
All right.
You'd raise your right hand for me. There you go. Mr. Kelly, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under the pains and penalties of perjury, so help you?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you. Mr. Tom, your witness, he's been sworn in. You may be
Okay.
seated.
Hi, Mr. Kelly. How are you doing today?
Doing good.
Good. Can you tell me what happened on the day you got pulled over?
Yeah, I was driving to down, trying to remember the road name, but heading towards the Sandy Motel apartments.
Yeah.
Was just kind of cruising. I believe I was going about 65, 70 down that road. Got pulled over by Sergeant Tinker, and he explained why I got pulled over.
Yeah.
A second car pulled up behind him, and as he was kind of just explaining why he pulled me over and everything, he went back to his vehicle to check my ID, and I made a comment that it must be a slow day since there were two vehicles for a speeding ticket. Tinker then yelled from his vehicle, I was going to give you a warning, but now that you've said that, I'm going to go ahead and give you the ticket.
He said what?
Yes, sir. And and then he proceeded to approach me and handed me the ticket for $500 for, I believe, third-degree speeding.
Oh, wow. That seems very queer, Mr. Kelly. I have no further questions for you, and I apologize.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Tom. Mr. Tinker, do you have any questions for this witness?
I do not, Your Honor. Everything he said is accurate of what took place during that situation.
Okay. Mr. Kelly, you may step down.
All right, thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you. All right,
No,
Mr.
thank
Tom,
you.
you got another witness?
Yeah, we have Miss Eve, and we'd like to call her to the stand, please.
All right.
I don't know her last name, I'll be honest with you. I've never called her that. I just call her Eve.
Angelo.
Eve
No,
Angelo?
Eve.
Yes, sir.
All right. Excuse me. May you please raise your right hand for me?
If I can remember how to do that.
You're pledging.
Yeah,
you're
think about
pledging
pledge.
Your allegiance.
Just think about pledge.
I think you
That's
do
your
that.
left hand.
That's okay.
That's
That was a joke.
Miss Eve, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under the pains and penalties of perjury, so help you?
I do, sir.
Thank you. You may be seated.
May I stand, please, sir?
Sure, wherever you're comfortable. Mr.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Mr. Tom, you are, she's been sworn in, your witness.
Perfect. Hi, Miss Eve. How you doing today?
I'm good, Tom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm not too bad. Tell me your involvement on this day.
I was actually on the back of that motorcycle.
Ah, and whose motorcycle is that?
Mr. Kelly's.
Ah, okay. So you were there for the citation, yes?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me in your words what happened?
So we were traveling up the road. I can't remember it. We were
Panorama.
Thank you, Tinker. Panorama. We were near the ATC where I spotted Tinker on the right-hand side of the road. Looks like he was possibly getting fuel, or about to get fuel, and we were.
Objection! Speculation!
Oh,
It's your own witness.
No, but she did speculate. She did speculate.
That is fair. That is fair.
Yeah. Okay.
You're not wrong, but I mean,
He's not wrong at all. So, Mr. Tom, sustain.
Thank you.
Please read.
What
Please
are
be
we,
more
Amber here
direct
now?
with your question. Yeah, Amber.
Sorry. So we were traveling
Hold on.
probably.
Hold
Go
on.
ahead.
Mr. Tom, you can re-ask your question to get a little bit more precise of an answer.
Okay, perfect. Tell me in your own words what happened that day with no speculations, please.
Okay. So we were driving up Panorama, heading towards the motel when we passed Sergeant Tinker. I guess we were going a little bit fast, but I was on the back of the motorcycle, so I didn't have a view of the speedometer, so I cannot speculate what we were doing.
Good.
And then he pulled us over, and we engaged in conversation. Mr. Kelly gave the ID to Sergeant Tinker, and Sergeant Tinker was on his way back to his vehicle where Mr. Kelly made the comment, "It must be a slow day."
And what did Mr. Tinker say?
Well, from what I heard, Mr. Tinker basically said, "No, sir, it's not a slow day. I'm just doing my job, but because you stated that, I will now be issuing you a ticket instead of a warning."
Again? Oh, madam. Oh, that is atrocious. Madam, I have no further questions for you, and sorry you had to go through there.
Mr. Tom, Mr. Tinker.
I do got
There you go.
I do got some for you.
All right.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Tinker.
Hasn't answered.
Upon approaching and having conversations, were there any statements that you were throwing out there about other officers, or were you at somewhat capacity maybe irritated about the traffic stop?
I was not irritated about the traffic stop. I was just asking you a question regarding some officers that actually do the exact same thing without their lights and sirens going.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Tinker.
I'd like to recross,
It would be redirect, but go ahead.
but I don't want to be that direct.
Well, be indirect then.
What? Oh, okay. What bike were you sat on when you make these statements?
The Damon.
Oh, okay, perfect. That's all I needed. Thank you.
All right. Miss Eve, thank you for your testimony. You may step down.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. This is going quick, Mr. Tom. Mr. Tom, you have another witness?
Yana, we have no further witnesses. We think we presented it pretty well.
All right. Do you rest your case?
We rest.
Okay. Mr. Tinker, it is now your turn to present your case in chief or your defense. Do you have any witnesses? Would you like to call yourself?
No, there's no one could wake up or there's actively another case going on, and the individuals who are also involved in that traffic stop are not on duty. So no, there's no witnesses. I have no cross-examination. I have no witnesses I want to call.
Your Honor, we will allow him to make a testimony if needed,
Yeah,
seeing as he is alone.
Thank you.
I will object because he's testifying, but we will let him go. Yeah.
I was just going to ask you that. Mr. Tinker, to make it easier, you could just make a open testimony to the court of your recollection of the events that took place, if you would like.
I mean, everything that already was
Objection,
said is-
testifying.
And no, I don't need to do anything. It's fine.
I'm joking. It's up to you.
Yeah. No, I mean, you guys said everything. That's exactly what happened. There's, yeah, I don't believe in the. Yeah, I mean, my testimony would be exactly what they said. I was in my vehicle. A comment was made about it being a slow day. It's up to my discretion as a law enforcement officer whether or not I do want to issue a warning or a citation because the law was broken. I feel that the comment that he made was not in a jokingly manner. I feel like he was a little irritated with the fact that I gave him one. There are a few things I do want to mention actually about the traffic stop. Actually, yeah, you know what? Fuck it. Sorry, Your Honor.
Go on up
Don't
there,
hold me
sir.
in
Go on
contempt.
up there.
Hey, no, I'm not. There you go.
Sergeant, Sergeant.
I was standing on the side of the road running radar when the motorcycle was in fact going 70 and a 50. Not only that, but they ran the stop sign instead of stopping. They jumped through the intersection where they have main traffic going on East Joshua Road. There's a zero tolerance up north in BCSO. Everybody gets citations. I don't give warnings out to anybody. When he did give me his identification, went back to the car, he did make a comment, and I did in fact say, oh, well, I was going to give you a warning, but now you're getting a citation. My mind, no matter what, was still giving him a citation regardless.
Well, a warning and a citation are different, correct?
Yeah.
There are big differences, but they're still up to my discretion. I don't give out warnings.
Well, wait. So
We will address it in our closing, Your Honor. We will address it in our closing.
okay. 'Cause,
You're confused about what, Your Honor? Good.
But you said you were going to give him a citation no matter what, but you also said you were going to give him a warning.
Correct. No. When he made the comment, I stated, well, you would have got a warning, but now you're getting a ticket. That's exactly what I said.
Okay.
But I was going to give him a ticket anyway. Because, again, it wasn't a joking manner. He was saying it was slow, and he even said it on the stand himself. Why do you have two vehicles here, even though it's part of our procedures of having two officers on a traffic stop for officer safety, of course. So I
That's
made
not
that
always
statement.
the case, though.
So he did not, in fact, get the ticket because of his free speech. He got the ticket for driving like a moron. No further questions, Your Honor. No further testimony.
Seems like
and
his
no
feelings are
further
still hurt.
Thank you.
Hey, you shut up, Kelly. Otherwise, you get another ticket.
Oh.
No, you're not a moron. I never said you are a moron. You're
We
not.
got this. Don't worry. We got this. Don't worry. I think I'll give him a ticket later.
Mr. Kincaid, do you have a closing statement prepared, or would you guys like 5-10 minutes?
No, I am just wing it. I mean, I'll do what I just did now. I mean, I can just keep it sweet and simple. Do you want to go first, Tom, or do you want me to go?
Well, technically, I should go first.
Yeah, go first.
Yeah,
Go
we're
first.
playing tips. Yeah. Thank you, King. Thank you, Sergeant.
There you go, Mr. Tom. Take it away.
Just clear my throat. Your Honor, people of the courts, and anyone who still believes that sarcasm is illegal, let's get one thing straight. Yes, my client's right. Yes, we broke the law. He was going faster than the squirrel on espresso. And I've seen that. That's pretty fucking fast. You ever watch it like over the hedge? That squirrel goes on espresso. Straight over. No excuses, Your Honor. We took accountability. We paid the ticket. Right? But here's what really happened. As per my client's testimony, the witness testimony, and even Mr. Tinker himself. My client said, must have been a slow day. A joke. A harmless, that level, eye-rolling, kind of shitty joke. I'll be honest, it's not the best. I'm a clown, I know. And Sergeant Tinker quite clearly said, was gonna give you a warning. But now you can get a ticket. That is the definition of financial retaliation based on speech. And under Amendment number 1, not 2, not 3, number 1, the law cannot retaliate based on free speech. Apparently, Your Honor, sarcasm is now taxable. I didn't know this. I didn't know we had an IRS within the state that taxes people on sarcasm. I didn't realize that they partnered with the BCSO. But, Your Honor, the sarcasm order is real. bring your receipts next time, because he will give you a ticket. Your Honor, the First Amendment doesn't have a speed limit. The First Amendment protects speech. Even really, really bad jokes. I'll be honest, like terrible jokes. It wasn't even funny. Even must be a slow day. It protects that. But when a deputy's fragile emotions get hurt, apparently the Constitution goes out that window, Your Honor. Right? Sergeant's logic. Citizen speaks. I offended. Deploy financial punishment. Sarcasm is now criminal. Humor, that'd be hazardous, Your Honor. Constitution, that'd be optional. If we allow this, Your Honor, next week, I'm gonna be fined for size. I'm gonna be fined for dramatic eyeball raises. I'm gonna be fined for sneezing too loudly. I'm gonna be fined for being fucking Tom-Tom. I'll be honest, I speak way too much. I'm speaking too much now. I'm yapping. Might get a ticket later. The speeding, Your Honor, is irrelevant. Really. Yes, he sped. Yes, he deserved a citation, but that was not the reason he got the citation. Quite clearly, as per the witnesses, and as per Mr. Sergeant Tinker, it was because he said a joke. The founding fathers, Your Honor, risked everything so that we citizens could speak freely. And apparently, Sergeant Tommy Tinker did not get that memo. Not at all. Your Honor, we ask you to rule in favor of my client. Not because he's perfect. Because he's not. He's a criminal. You can look at his history. He's a criminal. He's got criminal charges. He's sped. Like, I'm a fucking sped. Right? But because the reason he's being punished here is because it's unconstitutional. It breaks that First Amendment. Your Honor, let the record show in this courtroom, the First Amendment outranks Sergeant Tommy Tinker's ego. And sarcasm is free to roam the highways, Your Honor. Unpunished! Thank you.
This is so
God
good.
bless America. And my client's sense of humor.
Bravo.
Thank you, Mr. Tinker.
I will say, he has a littering charge, and I don't think I've ever seen a littering charge on anyone's record. So.
See, I told you criminal. He is criminal.
That's funny. Hey, people give them out, I guess.
Mr. Tinker, you can take it away with your closing.
Today we stand before you not based off of speech, but the fact the law is broken, and that is the reason for the stop. To claim free speech was broken and that the ticket was given because of free speech would have to be because of that. No law can be primary broken and then given a ticket. What I'm saying is he's claiming that his free speech is the reason the ticket actually was being given out, thus admitting to breaking the law, but then claiming the reason why the ticket was just given anyway was because he was using his free speech. The ticket, Your Honor, was going to be given regardless. Free speech is not being broken here. And I hope that your judgment is made off of fact and evidence, which we do have, and they admitted to on stand. Both witnesses admitted to him breaking the law and speeding on a motorcycle. Many other laws were broken during that traffic citation, and it only gave out one ticket. Your Honor, free speech still stands, and it's free to this day. I can't tell you how many times Tom declared that I was basing my job and duties off emotion instead of fact. Yet I stood there, listened to it, and here I am, still standing here, proudly admitting that I did in fact give him the citation. It was based off of speeding. Yes, did I say that? Absolutely I did. But that's not why the ticket was actually given. It's because he was on a motorcycle, driving very unsafely, at unsafe speeds, even running a stop sign that crosses East Joshua, where street racers go through on a daily basis. Your Honor, I hope that your judgment
No.
is based off of fact and mindfulness instead of statements about false situations and narratives pushed based off of emotion In which case, sir, I would not be getting where I am now in my tenureship in the PD if it was based off of emotion.
Didn't he get fired
it, Your Honor. Thank you.
from LSPD?
Get fired, yeah, but we-
Mm-hmm.
I think he's dead. I think we win. He died.
No, I don't
When the
think
judge dies on the stand, we win. That's what happens.
I don't
Oh,
plan
hi.
on it.
Oh, hi.
I don't think he's dead.
Oh,
He's
okay.
Alright.
thinking.
What was that?
All right, give me 5-10 minutes, okay?
Alrighty, Your Honor.
Recess.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Can I bang it?
You can't bang the gavel here, Yanya.
No,
Just
not in this
downstairs.
courtroom, sir.
I banged it. Thank you.
That's what she said.
What's that?
Hey, you're a great lawyer.
Oh,
Oh,
that was funny as fuck. Jackson might.
well, you speculated. Someone had to do something.
Did you hear that Amber Heard comment?
No, who made Amber Heard?
Who made that
I
one?
did. I'm like,
Wait.
what is this? Are you Amber Heard's lawyer?
Wait, did she object to Amber Heard?
Yeah.
No,
That's
yeah,
fucking mental.
it-
That's
it's
mental.
Have you not seen the memes from her
No.
lawyer asking her a question and then going objection speculation
Look, I'll
to
be
his
honest.
own client?
Yeah, but you did speculate.
Yeah, you're right. I did.
Now, don't come at me because you fucked up. You speculate.
No.
You don't know if look, Mr.
Oh my
Tommy Tink.
God.
Mr. Tommy Tinker said that he was on the speed radar. He wasn't even getting you.
Yeah,
You know, I
but
was
where
sitting
he
on the
was
side of the
parked.
road.
See,
Well, where I saw you was
speculation.
at the gas station. That's
Yeah,
where I saw you.
speculation. Don't worry, Tinker. I'm on your side now.
Oh, I don't-
wow.
We're gonna
I don't
see.
even really.
We're gonna sue them. Frivolous lawsuit. Let's sue them.
Oh wow.
What?
Let's get them for civil. For frivolous.
This is coming back here.
Mm.
I don't care. We'll see what the judge says.
Fucking admitted that he
I wanna
said
know
that
what's
too.
going on with the case.
Like,
So do I.
Wait, so he's allowed to lie to you? I don't know. I don't know if I don't know. Your lawyer's funny. But I don't know if he got it in the bag or not. To be honest. That shit's up in the air.
no, I don't care.
I didn't know about it until John Wright told me.
Yeah, but I mean, taking to face value, if he says warning, warning is not a ticket.
No, exactly.
My bad.
So specifically saying, I was going to give you a warning, but since you said that, as soon as he admitted that he retaliated because of something I said.
Yeah, well, then he tried to say. He said the other day that we were malding. when
Yeah.
Prez was
Yeah.
giving him
He
shit. A ticket either way.
Alright, that was.
Oh, he said
But
the
then,
same
so why
thing
would
to
he say
us,
that?
Yeah,
He
if he
said
was,
that,
yeah,
give you a warning.
that we were molding.
What the
Yeah.
fuck is wrong with this guy and saying everybody's fucking malding?
I don't know, but I wasn't molding at all. I wasn't even angry, and I can't speculate what speed we were going.
Why did We were why laughing did at him Tom after he Tom said that not shit. That was
call
funny.
him out when he said that you both admitted you were speeding during your testimony. You said you couldn't see the speedometer.
Oh, that's funny.
Exactly. So I didn't admit we were speeding.
So he's like, they both admitted they were speeding, but you clearly said you couldn't see the speedometer.
I agree.
Thank you for doing this, by the way. We appreciate it.
No, I like going to church.
But that's the thing. Is I don't know. I don't know
Yeah,
what speed we're going. I'm sitting on the back of a motorcycle. How am I supposed to see the dials?
We sped. We would allow.
Oh.
Yeah, traffic court's always good.
Look.
Hey, he's back. Everyone's in his seats.
All right. Mr. Tinker, are you here?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Mr. Tom, can you hear me?
Maybe.
All right. And then Mr. Kelly.
yes, sir.
All right. Court is now back in session 0338. Alex Kelly versus Tommy Tinker, Sergeant Tommy Tinker. I'm here to render a verdict on the case at hand. So, this is relatively simple. Mr. Tinker, your testimony is inherently it was contradictory and actually fatal to your defense.
Yes.
You admit that you stated verbatim during the traffic stop I was going to give you a warning, but because you said that, you're getting a ticket. This statement is direct evidence that your intent and state of mind at the time it shows your intent and state of mind at the time of the violation, at the time of the traffic stop. Your testimony today, claiming that you were going to give the ticket no matter what, is a post hoc fabrication that lacks credibility.
Yes.
And that cannot overcome your own omission that was made at the scene that you testified to that you did make, and the two witnesses also testified that you made. So your words at the traffic stop established that the result of the citation was issued solely on retaliation of the plaintiff's non-threatening protected speech. Be a slow day, rather than a legitimate law enforcement purposes. Obviously, this constitutes a clear deprivation of Mr. Kelly's First Amendment rights under the law. Whether or not he actually was speeding or not, it is because your statement, Mr. Tinker, that you were going to give him a warning, but because he made that statement, now you're changing it to a ticket. So with that, regarding compensatory damages in the amount of $500 as listed is going to be granted. That is the $500 fine for the traffic citation. Expungement of the citation off of Mr. Kelly's record is going to be granted, and then attorney fees and costs.
We waive the attorney fees because Mr. Tink has been a problem.
Okay.
So we waive the attorney fees.
All right, so compensation from actually coming from this.
Oh, if you're paying this, I'm taking the attorney fees. I didn't want Tinker to pay.
Well, I'm expunging it from his record.
Okay.
Compensation in the amount of $500. That is the ruling of this court. I'll stick around if you have any questions or concerns. 0338 Alex Kelly versus Tommy Tinker is closed. Thank you. Thank you all for your time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Free speech prevails.
Great job, Tom Tom.
Thank you.
Tom, you did a fantastic job. I am starting to believe that I think that you're the best attorney in.
Thank you. That's not true. Thank you.
Um,
I really appreciate it.